Next example, we're going to be looking at the cost of backpacks. So they range on the low end from $16.78 and on the higher end from 51.25. And the question is saying, find the median and mode of the cost in the table. So you're going to be doing both. We're going to first start with the median. Notice here how on the median, I already put the numbers in order from least to greatest. When I would do this, I would literally start crossing it out, 16.78, and I would write it down, 18.38, and write it down, and so forth. But to save time, I already did it. Okay, so now I want to find the median, which is the middlemost number. So I have two numbers here. I'm going to work my way towards the middle. Here's 3. Here's 3. Oop, there happens to be two middlemost numbers. That is going to happen. That's just part of the deal. Sometimes it's going to work out like that. Notice how you have 8 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, my eyes don't deceive me. When you have even numbers, even amount of numbers here, you're going to have two middlemost numbers. If you have an odd amount of data, you're just going to have one number. So because we have 8, I'm going to have 2 numbers. I am going to have to add those up, kids. That's how we do it, and that's what we do. When we do that, we add it up, and then you're going to divide. So we're going to add this up. Here we go. We've got 9 plus 4 is 13. 8 plus 5 is 13. Put my dot there. This is 15. And that's 55 and 33 cents. But we're not done there. That is just step 1. Now I'm going to have to divide this number in half. So I divided by 2. Now you're like, are they all going to be this difficult? No. But I need to show you that not every one of them is going to be easy peasy, because that's the truth. We wish it could be easy peasy, but that is not the way it works. So that's a 3. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to divide. Now, when you are dividing, you have to realize with decimals, remember to put that decimal straight up. I don't like to forget. Bring down that 5. 2 goes into 15 7 times. That gives you 14. Subtract. When you're done subtracting, you bring the next number down. 2 goes into 13. Let's put my number there. And ooh, I'm like, where am I going to write? I don't have any room. Well, running out here. Bring down that extra 3. Oh my word, we are stuck here. 2 times 6 is 12. Can we continue that? Can I bring this 13 up here without you guys freaking out? Sorry, but I ran out of room. And you're like, well, you're talking about money. You have to have 2 numbers after the decimal. We've talked about this. You have to have 2 numbers. Now you're going to have to round to the 100 spot. So when you get this 1 here, because you know you have 13, you have 12, you got 1, I would add a 0 to bring it down. We're going to pretend it's there because it's really here. The 10 would be there. And 2 goes into 10 5 times. Now I'm going to stop there, because when we talk about money, we always round it to the hundreds place. This number right here. So if I look behind, 5 is a muscle man, and it rounds. Remember, 5 or greater rounds the number up. So it rounds that 6 to a 7. This 6 stays the same. Put my decimal. The 27 goes in front. And it is now $27.67. They're not all going to be this challenging, but I needed to show you that sometimes they will be that way.